5. Forming. Forming adjectives from nouns. Number 5. Hey guys, today's topic is forming adjectives from nouns. So listen carefully. There are 3 main ways to form adjectives. The first method is to form the word by adding suffix "an" to the noun. Here is the structure. The ending of the adjective depends on the gender of the noun that follows the word. We use "ый" or "ой" for masculine nouns, "ая" for feminine nouns, "ое" for neutral nouns, and "ые" for plural. For example, шоколадное мороженое – neutral, овощной салат – masculine. The second structure is this. For example, in the adjectives апельсиновый сок, фруктовый салат, we add suffix "ов" to the words апельсин and frukt. And the last way is to form adjectives with nouns which are ended with letters k, g, ch. The structure is here. For example, молочный коктейль. The adjective молочный is formed from the noun молоко that ends with the letter k. So we add the suffix ch, n, this combination, to the noun. Do you understand now how to form adjectives? If you have any questions, leave them below this video.